let's learn how you can change ID on 1xBet. So before we start, I have to tell you that you can't manually change your ID because, as you can see, let me show you. So you can go to menu, go to personal profile, and if you go to edit, you can see that your account number is locked. So how you can change it is by going to support. So you will have to go to menu, scroll down and click on customer support. Now you can either go to contacts or customer support chat or send us an email. So the quickest way would be customer support chat. Here you can write them a message and just tell them how you need to change your ID because I don't know of what reason, but you need to change it. And they should be able to do that. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.